pineapple, mango, banana, and peach syrup smoothie. Here I also have mango and banana puree, but if you don't have it, it's fine. Into the blender, I will start by adding banana and peach syrup. I will now add mango. I will add pineapple, ice. Then I will now pour fresh milk. Now let's cover our blender and start blending. You can see how our smoothie is blending smoothly. Now into the glass, let's pour our smoothie. You can see that. Our smoothie is ready. Now let's try it. So nice. In this video, we are making 2 recipes. Before we move into the next recipe, I want to use this moment to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for coming back. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment. Thank you for your time. So now, let's go to the next recipe. Here we have mango, dates, and banana. Into the blender, we have mango and banana. I will now add date and put water. Make sure you add drinking water. I will add a little bit of sugar powder, but it's optional. I will blend it like 1 minute. Then I will now add ice. After adding ice, blend it very nicely. Et voila! Our smoothie is ready. Into the glass, I'm going to pour the smoothie. You can see that. Please comment, let me know which one did you like, the first recipe or the second recipe. The first recipe, I use fresh milk. The second one, I use water. You can see that. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.